What's up everybody, it's your boy Mr. Beast here. Are you tired of having like 2.5 subscribers? We've all been there, trust me. But listen up, because in this video, we're about to blow this whole YouTube thing wide open. We're talking going from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in just 2 weeks. Alright guys, first things first. Content is king. In today's digital age, the quality of your content can make or break your online presence. It's not just about posting frequently, it's about posting content that resonates, engages, and leaves a lasting impression. We're talking about content so epic, so mind-blowingly awesome, that it leaves your audience in awe. It's the kind of content that makes people stop scrolling and pay attention. That viewers can't help but hit that subscribe button. They want to be the first to know when you drop something new because they know it's going to be worth their time. Think about it. Why do people watch my videos? It's not just the flashy thumbnails or catchy titles, it's the substance behind the content, it's the effort and creativity that go into every frame. It's because we're doing crazy challenges, pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and taking risks that others might shy away from, giving away insane amounts of money, creating moments that are not just entertaining but also life-changing for the participants, and basically breaking the internet on a weekly basis. It's about creating a buzz, getting people talking, and making your content go viral. Now you don't have to go full Mr. Beast right off the bat, but you need to start somewhere. Begin with what you have and build from there. But you need to find your own unique angle, something that sets you apart from the millions of other creators out there. Your own way to stand out from the crowd. It's about finding that special something that only you can offer. What are you passionate about? What drives you? What makes you get up in the morning and think, I need to share this with the world? What gets you fired up and makes you want to share it with the world? Passion is contagious, and when people see how much you care, they'll care too. Whatever it is, find that thing that makes you unique and pour your heart and soul into it. Authenticity is key, and pour your heart and soul into it. The more genuine and heartfelt your content is, the more it will resonate with your audience. The more creative and original your content is, the more it will stand out in a sea of sameness. The more likely it is to grab people's attention and keep them coming back for more. Consistency and quality go hand in hand, and keep them coming back for more. Build a loyal audience that eagerly anticipates your next upload. And the most important thing, have fun with it. If you're not enjoying the process, it will reflect in your work. If you're not enjoying yourself, it's going to show in your videos. So keep it fun, keep it real, and keep creating. Okay, so you've got some killer content. You've spent hours planning, shooting, and editing. Your video is a masterpiece, ready to be shared with the world. But if nobody can find it, what's the point? It's like shouting into the void. You need to make sure your content gets seen. That's where SEO comes in. Search engine optimization. It's the magic sauce that helps your video get discovered. It's just about using the right words and phrases so that YouTube knows what your video is about and can show it to the right people. Think of it as speaking YouTube's language. Think of it like this. Imagine you're looking for a video on how to make the world's largest pizza. You type in world's largest pizza recipe and hit search. YouTube's algorithm is basically a giant search engine, and it uses the words in your title, description, and tags to figure out what your video is about. It matches your search with the most relevant videos, so when you're coming up with a title, don't just slap on the first thing that comes to mind. Be strategic, make it catchy but also informative. Do your research. Use keywords that people are actually searching for. This way, your video has a better chance of showing up in search results. Tools like Google Trends and TubeBuddy can be your best friends here. They help you find the right keywords and optimize your content for better visibility. So, take the time to understand and use these tools effectively. You know how they say don't judge a book by its cover? Well, on YouTube, that rule goes right out the window. Your thumbnail is the first thing people see when they're scrolling through their feed, and it's your one and only chance to make a good first impression. Think of it like this. You're walking down the street and you see 2 restaurants. One has a bland, boring sign that says, restaurant. The other has a giant, mouth-watering picture of a juicy burger and the words, best burgers in town. Which one are you going to choose? Your thumbnail needs to be like that second restaurant sign, eye-catching, intriguing, and impossible to ignore. Chapter 4. Social Media, Your Secret Weapon for YouTube Domination. Alright, so you've got your awesome content, your SEO is on point, and your thumbnails are click magnets. Now it's time to unleash the power of social media and spread the word about your channel. Think of social media like your own personal hype squad, ready to shout your channel's name from the rooftops. Don't just spam your followers with links to your latest upload. Instead, get creative. Share behind-the-scenes glimpses of your process, run polls and quandas to engage with your audience, and even create short teaser clips that leave people wanting more. And remember, each social media platform is different. tailor your message to each platform and experiment to see what resonates best with your audience. Chapter 5. Collabs, two heads, and channels are better than one. You know what's better than conquering YouTube alone? Conquering it with a friend. Collaborating with other YouTubers is like tapping into a goldmine of new viewers and subscribers. Think about it. When you collaborate with someone, you're essentially cross-promoting each other's channels to your respective audiences. It's like a 2-for-1 deal for everyone involved. Plus, it's a great way to shake things up, try new content ideas, and keep your channel feeling fresh and exciting. When choosing collaborators, look for creators who share a similar target audience, but offer a different perspective or style of content. This will help you reach new viewers who might not have discovered your channel otherwise. Here's a little secret that most YouTubers won't tell you. It's not just about the views, guys. It's about building a real, genuine community around your content. These are the people who are going to be your biggest fans, your cheerleaders, and your partners in crime on this crazy YouTube journey. So, how do you build a community? It's simple, really. Just be a decent human being. Respond to comments, answer questions, and show your viewers that you actually care about what they have to say. Think of it like this: your comment section is like a virtual party. Alright, time to get a little nerdy for a second. YouTube analytics is like having a secret decoder ring that unlocks all the secrets to understanding your audience and making your content even more awesome. It's a treasure trove of information that can guide you in making data-driven decisions. Think of it like this: analytics tells you what's working, what's not working, and what you can do to make your videos even better. It's like having a roadmap that shows you the path to success, highlighting the areas where you can improve and the aspects that are already hitting the mark. So, what should you be looking at? Well, for starters, pay attention to your watch time. This metric is crucial because it tells you how long viewers are actually engaging with your content. This tells you how long people are actually sticking around to watch your videos. The longer the watch time, the better your content is performing in terms of viewer retention. If people are bouncing after the first few seconds, it might be a sign that your intros are too slow or your content isn't grabbing their attention. This is a critical insight because it helps you tweak your opening moments to be more engaging. Next, check out your audience demographics. This data is like a goldmine for understanding who your viewers are. This tells you who your viewers are, where they're from, and what their interests are. Knowing this can help you create content that speaks directly to them. This information can help you tailor your content to better resonate with your target audience. By understanding your audience's preferences and behaviors, you can craft videos that are more likely to be watched, shared, and loved. Alright folks, we're in the home stretch now. You've learned all about creating epic content, optimizing for search, promoting on social media, and engaging with your community. But there's one last piece of the puzzle that ties it all together: consistency. Think of it like this. Imagine you're at your favorite restaurant and they tell you they're only open one day a week. Chances are, you're going to find a new favorite restaurant, right? The same goes for YouTube. If you're only uploading videos sporadically, your viewers are going to lose interest and move on to other channels that offer a more consistent stream of content. Now, I'm not saying you need to be uploading every single day, but you do need to establish a regular posting schedule that your viewers can rely on. Alright guys, that's it. You've got all the tools you need to go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in just 2 weeks. Remember, it's not going to be easy. But trust me, it's all going to be worth it when you see that subscriber count skyrocket, and you start building a community of loyal fans who love your content. So get out there, crush it, and show the world what you're made of. Peace out.